umbrella. Orgasm blush, lipstick, nigga killer. Devil in a tight dress, girl, you a killer. And ain't nobody realer, and ain't nobody realer. Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Go, go,
That's what it is. Anyways, that was my little intro. You know, I had to come in like, hey, well, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Dior. Some people call me Fancy, hence the fancy music in the background. Some people call me Kitty, hence the crazy Hello Kitty-ness. Or go with the red hair, or some people don't know my name. So if you don't, my name is Dior. Nice to meet you. Basically, I'm introducing you to my site. It's going to be fancyinthecity.com, which I would just be doing a recap of the week of things that happened in New York between fashion, music, food, like everything. So let me give you a recap of what happened this week. Wednesday, I went to the Google launch party for an e-commerce site called boutiques.com. It was held at the Skylight Soho. I don't know if you've ever been there, but it's like a huge space, and they used it to the best of their abilities. I must say, they had like people hanging from ceilings. When you walked in, they gave you this little map, and basically each room represented like a different style. I mean, anything from like romantic to street to edgy. Pretty cool. There's a lot of people there, like Isaac Mizrahi, blah blah blah. I'm not even gonna get into that.